Welcome back, guys. So I have already mentioned that Accenture has started its hiring, and I asked you if you wanted to know the exam pattern and all. Then I'll make a separate video. So some guys commented that they want to know that. So I'm making this video about the off-campus hiring of Accenture for the AAC role, that is the 4.5 LPA CTC role. So that is going to happen for 23 and 22 batch. It is already started. We got exam slot also. So this is going to happen this and coming week, and the exam pattern will be like this. One will be a written test. That is, written means that will be a technical test, so that there will be technical questions and something aptitude related questions as well. So it will be for 90 minutes and there will be 90 questions. So per question 1 minute will be there, and for this round there will be 6 sections. One is verbal ability, critical reasoning, abstract reasoning, then common applications of some computer, MS Word, Office, this type of things. Then one section will be for pseudocodes, and the last one will be for network security, cloud, these things. Okay, so this all six these things will be in the first section, that is the written test or technical round, we can say. And if you clear this section, then we will be going to the next section, that will be consisting of a coding round. There we will have to solve 2 coding questions in 45 minutes. So that will, the questions of the codes will be moderate level coding questions. So as you can see that only 45 minutes is there for 2 questions. So the question difficulty level will be moderate, not too hard, not too easy. And the languages available will be like all the languages we use generally, like C, C++, Java, Python and .NET. This type of languages will be allowed. So then if we clear both this aptitude round and coding round, then we will be going to our communication test round. Okay, so the communication test will be happening after clearing these 2 rounds. In the communication test, there we will have to answer different grammatical questions. We have to read something, we have to hear a story and give answers of that. This type of communication not question happens for every other company as well. You all know, I guess, what the communication test questions. And if we clear that as well, so then the interview will be start happening, like the technical interview, and then finally the HR interview. And then if we clear all this round, we will be selected for this Accenture round. So there are few things which I want to share with you. So for the verbal ability, there will be sentence correction, prepositions, grammar, reading comprehension, synonym, antonyms, spotting errors, sentence arrangement, articles, these things. And in critical reasoning, there will be blood relations, arrangements, agree disagree, coding decoding, syllogism, logical sequence, analogies, these type of things. And for the next abstract reasoning, there will be visual reasoning, flowcharts, deduction reasoning, directional sense, like sitting arrangement, these type of things. Also common applicants will be common prompts, browser basics, MS Office, shortcut keys, these things will be there. And the next is pseudocode, where the pseudocode will be coming from any language like C, C++, Java. You can give any language like this. And the network security and cloud questions will be there, from firewalls, network security, attack types, cloud database, cloud data centers, cloud service platforms. These type of questions will be there. So this concludes our first test. Then there will be the coding questions, that will be moderate level coding questions, as I've already told. So there are few other notes which I need to share with you. So it will be happening in our assessment platform, which is already given in the mail. So it will be non-adaptive type. That means you can navigate through your questions, and all. The time is not fixed for one question. That means you can take how many time you want for one question, but the total timing is 90 minutes per 90 questions. So you can navigate from one section to another section, as well as navigate from one question to another question. And after all this, if you want me to make a video of solving few technical questions or few aptitude questions and even the coding questions, you can comment out. I will make videos of that as well, for solution and questions of previous batches or previous slots exams.